Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th Edition, Chapter 1, Primes, Highest Common Factor and Lowest Common Multiple, Exercise 1A, Question number 8 to 9, Intermediate Level. Question number 8. The area of a square photo frame is 250 cm square. Find the perimeter of the photo frame, leaving your answer correct to 1 decimal place. Consider a square frame having area of 250 cm square. In order to calculate the perimeter of this square, we first have to calculate the length of its side. As we know, formula for area of a square is equal to square of its length, so we use the formula for area of square to calculate length. Now substitute the given value of area of square frame in equation 1, and then take square root on both sides. Now we have length equal to square root of 250. To calculate this value, use scientific calculator. To calculate the square root of 250, press the keys on the calculator in given sequence below. Square root 2, 5, 0 equals 2. Now round off to 1 decimal place. So, the length of one side of the square frame is 15.8 centimeters. Now we can calculate the perimeter by using the formula of perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is equals to 4 times the length of its one side. Now substitute the value of length in equation 2 to calculate perimeter of square. So, perimeter of square frame is 63.2 centimeters. Question number 9. The volume of a box in the shape of a cube is 2197 centimeter cube. Find the area of one side of the box. The volume of a box in the shape of a cube is 2197 centimeter cube. Find the area of one side of the box. As we know, the formula for volume of a square is equal to cube of its length, so we use the formula for volume of square to calculate length. Now substitute the given value of volume of square frame in equation 1. And then take cube root on both sides. Now we have length equals to cube root of 2197. To calculate this, use a scientific calculator. To calculate the cube root of 2197, press the keys on the calculator in the given sequence below. 3. X root 2, 1, 9, 7 equals 2. So the length of one side of the cube is 13 centimeters. Now we can calculate the area of one side by using the formula of area of square. Area of square equals to square of length of its one side. Now we can calculate the area of one side by using the formula of area of square. So the area of one side of the cube is 169 centimeters square. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.